Oh, okay. You can go text the number entry in the corner. Then when I call your number, just enter the medical check room.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. I am very sorry sis, we have a little problem about medical check schedule.
What happened?
The schedule has changed. Last time it was Monday, Wednesday, and now it's Friday, Sunday.
That's bad next.
I am really sorry sis.
No problem. Then we should go another time.
Alright, before you go, I can register you for medical check upon so you don't have to register again. How about that?
Really? Thanks, sir. I will accept it.
Every day come to hospital at 9 a.m. and meet the support corner to show this registration card and don't forget to write your number on this card.
Okay, thanks, sir.
You're welcome.
Good morning, sis. How may I help you?
Good morning. I had an appointment with the doctor and medical check room at 9.
Have you registered with us earlier?
Yes.
Please show me your registration card, or I can share for you the details from your mobile.
That one, then here's the card, check it, and my mobile number 01234.
Okay, I confirm your detail. Your visit was last Monday in August.
That's it.
You can buy the medical check in administration.
Sure.
Please take a seat and feel free to help yourself with letter mail.
Thank you.
A few moments later.
See, you can take your friend to medical check room new.
Okay. Excuse me. Morning, doctor.
Morning, how are you doing today?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm good. So bring you here.
I will come to regular check-up for a specific case of glaucoma. I don't have it about few years back. A doctor, after examining my and knowing my family a history, advised me to undergo to regular check-up a month.
Okay. I see that your optic nerve is weaker than normal. That's probably the reason why you were asked undergo pre-continuity test every month. You can have the symptoms, visual field analysis, and OCT. two tests will cost 5,000 and you get the records in around 2 hours. Is that fine?
That's fine.
Please, sister, maybe your friend someone will call you for the first test in few minutes.
Thank you.
A few moments later.
I hope you had a smooth experience doing such test.
Yes, it was, and because I prepared my activity a test in the vet school, so I know what's coming.
Your response are absolutely fine. Since this response have so anything suspect in so many years, I think you can now take this test once in 5 months.
Okay,
Well, that could accommodating to rest. Does you work in full working on laptop for how long hours?
yes.
In case your eyes get tired quickly, I would recommend this antidote. It's an eye drop, which you can use 2-3 times in the day. Our eyes get dry when you look at the computer screen without blinking for long. A common reason for tiredness in eyes. This eye drop will irrigate your eyes.
Thank God, it will really help me in the future.
Do you have any other question?
Yes, I see building black wavy structure pattern in front of my eyes, and then gone several everywhere from my eyes. What are they? Are they harmful?
They're called culture, and most persons develop the two different extent as they age. They not harmful.
Again, doctor, thank you for a minute.
You're welcome.